turkey brine is made more special and festive with spices and Ocean Spray Diet cranberry juice. The bird is slathered with a delicious spice blend and roasted in the oven. It's served with a spiced up whole berry cranberry sauce and a garlic and cranberry stir-fry rice.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed and I'm super excited to share this video today. This is my sweet and spicy turkey with all the trimmings for my Indian holiday table. This video was sponsored by Ocean Spray and I'm super excited to team up with them because I'm going to be using their incredible sustainable products to enhance my Indian holiday feast. These products were grown right here in Canada by Canadian farmers and I'm super excited to share this recipe with you. If you want to get your hands on some of these Ocean Spray products, I'm going to be giving away some coupons. Check the description box for the details. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking.
I love a good turkey brine and I will be using diet cranberry juice to create a most wonderful brine for my turkey. I'm going to start with 1 bottle of diet cranberry. This is 1.89 liters per bottle and I will add more later. I'm going to pour it into a pot and I'm going to allow it to heat up. Once it comes to a boil, I'm going to add ½ cup of salt, 2 red chilies, 4 to 5 slices of lime, 4 2-inch pieces of cinnamon bark, 5 green cardamoms, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, and 1 teaspoon of cloves. It's important to heat up the cranberry juice as I want the salt to dissolve and I want all of the spices to infuse with the juice. I'm always looking for ways to incorporate less sugar and this only has 1 gram of sugar per cup. Allow this to steep for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then make sure it cools down completely. My turkey is about 7 pounds and I've allowed this to defrost and drain. Once it's ready, I'm going to place it in a container that can hold the bird and I'm going to pour over the cooled Ocean Spray cranberry brine that I created and I'm going to top it off with another bottle of diet cranberry juice. You want to make sure that you can cover the bird as much as possible. I'm always looking for ways to incorporate less sugar and this only has 1 gram of sugar per cup. Brining the bird makes it completely soft and juicy and it allows the flavor to permeate through the meat. I'm going to put the lid on now and I'm going to allow this to chill in my fridge overnight. Once the bird is brined, remove and drain it completely and throw away all of the brining liquid. You'll notice the color that it's left on my turkey. While the turkey drains, I'm going to prepare my special spicy blend that's going to coat the turkey. In a bowl, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon each of red chili, cumin, and coriander powder. I'm also going to add ½ a tablespoon of turmeric. Add in 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste and 1 cup of whipped yogurt. Salt to taste. Now I'm just going to whisk this all together. I've placed my turkey in my roaster, breast side down, and I'm going to add some of the marinade to the bottom first. I'm going to paint it and spread it all over the bird. And then I'm going to flip it over. Now add the rest of the marinade and just paint the bird and make sure there's a nice layer of that marinade all over the skin. To get a really nice gravy to serve with the bird, I'm going to add the turkey neck and some of the offal that came with the bird like the liver, etc. I'm going to add 1 cup of sliced onion, 1 red chili, a couple of slices of ginger, and I'm going to throw in 2 to 3 mushrooms. Cover this and add it to a preheated oven that was heated at 350 degrees and cook this for about 2 hours. While the bird is cooking, I will quickly spice up my whole berry cranberry sauce. Add some oil to a pot and add in 1 tablespoon of sliced green and red chilies. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, and I'm going to allow this to saute in the oil. Next, add in 1 tablespoon of chili powder and half a tablespoon of cumin powder. Did you ever wonder why the ocean spray cans are opened upside down? Well, according to a spokesperson, it creates a seamless serving experience. The cans are filled and labeled upside down with a rounded edge on the top and a sharp can-like edge at the bottom to keep the product whole. Check this out, and it does come out whole indeed. I'm going to smush this in, add some salt to taste, and I'm going to keep it aside. Now for a quick garlic and cranberry stir-fry rice to go with my turkey. Add some oil to a hot wok and add in 1 cup of sliced onion. Allow the onion to sweat a little bit. Next, I'm going to add in half a cup of crushed garlic. I want the garlic to sweat as well, and I don't want it to burn. To make this festive, I'm going to add in some ocean spray craisins. This superfood is going to bejewel my rice. Add about half a cup, and you can certainly add more if you wish. And next, I'm going to add in 3 cups of day-old basmati rice. I'm going to season this lightly with 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce and mix this well together. After about 2 hours, I'm going to remove the lid and I'm going to baste the bird with the juices. And now I'm going to continue roasting this open. You're going to cook your turkey according to the size of your bird. In my case, it's going to take another hour or so. I will regularly baste in between to keep it moist and delicious. The brine makes the meat super moist and incredibly flavorful. Serve this delicious turkey with all of the trimmings and enjoy the flavors of the season together with ocean spray. Enjoy.
Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. Thank you, Ocean Spray, for allowing me to use your incredible products. If you love this video, guys, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure that you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you love my videos, do share them with your family and friends. And don't forget, enter below to win yourself some great Ocean Spray products. Follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating and happy holidays. Bye.